So I've got this 16-foot trailer. I really like it, but one of the only limitations that kind of annoys me is really only tie down points are these boxes that they've got. They've got one here, one here. You can see I use this one the most, and then there's a couple up front. But tying it through here and then it leaning on this piece of steel when I pull chains through, I've got a bobcat on here or lawnmowers or whatever. Um, these aren't always the best things to hook my chains into. I'd like to have something more like a hook, and I was sent this set of 12 asking my opinion on it and make this short video, and I think this is going to be exactly what I've been wanting. You're going to get the owner's manual, got a couple pictures of how you could do the installs, but the point is you're going to get 12 of these weldable rings with attaching hardware that you're going to be able to weld on to your trailer wherever you need these tie down points. Now, these are solid steel. It's got a marking here for 12,000 pound capability on it. They're 1/2 inch thick. It's a heavy box, and just like you'd expect. And like I said, you're going to get all the hardware you're going to need to mount 12 of these. I'm probably going to put 4 on this trailer and then outfit a couple other trailers. And I just need to decide, where's the best point that I want to use to weld these in and have them available. So I can do some different tie down configurations that might make it a little bit faster. And then when you're pulling chains through these here too, it's definitely going to be a lot faster because they all get snagged on these square boxes. Also, I could probably be able to hook my hooks onto these also, and my different ratchets and whatever. So yeah, I'm pretty happy with this. It's solid. These are, legit steel. I'm just going to weld these up, and then there'll be a permanent fixture on the trailer, and that'll get the job done. Make it a very handy and convenient way to tie down with just more options than what this thing gave me from the beginning. So hey, I hope this video was helpful, and I hope this information is useful to you. And as always, hope you have a great day.